You are about to make 10k to 30k on a daily basis using this crypto arbitrage method. All right, 10k to 30k on a daily basis using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. Let's go, guys. Do not go anywhere. What's up, beautiful people? Now, in today's video, I'm going to give you step by step, like a very simple step you can be able to take to make up to 10k to 30k on a daily basis using three platforms. All right, using three platforms. Now, I'm going to disclose these three platforms as we proceed in today's video. Right now, in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline business and how you can be able to make money online and offline. Right now, I would want you to join this beautiful family. Yes, I want you to join this awesome family by smashing that subscription button. Okay, yes, I'm talking to you. Go ahead and smash that subscription button that you're looking at right now, and after you must have smashed the subscription button, don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside that subscription button. All right, what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you're watching. Okay, now to my beautiful returning subscribers, I would want to use this opportunity to say welcome back to this channel. I want to tell you that I appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I would want to tell you that I don't take you for granted. You are the best. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show us step by step which you can be able to use to make up to 10k to 30k on a daily basis using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. Now, we're going to be making use of three platforms, right? Now, before going into this video, I want you to do something for me, which we always do, okay? I want you to use just 3 seconds of your time. Yes, 3 seconds of your time to smash the like button of this video to show appreciation. Yes, go ahead and hit the like button. Click that like button to show appreciation, because in today's video, you are going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. Yes, a whole lot of value in today's video. So go ahead and click the like button to show appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video. As I'm counting, okay, go ahead and smash the like button. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to join this beautiful family. Smash the subscription button and then use 3 seconds of your time to boop the like button to show appreciation. With all this being said, let's jump straight into this video. On the first platform we are going to be making use of is astropay. Okay, that's the first platform we are going to be making use of. You can go to Google Play and download astropay, but I can actually keep a link in the description of this video or pin it in the comment section so you can be able to use the link to get astropay and get registered. All right, so the first platform in my list is astropay. So that is what we are going to be using in today's arbitrage. Now, what we're going to be doing in astropay is that we are going to be buying a voucher. Yes, that is what we're going to be doing in astropay. So I'm going to click over here, okay, in order to make a purchase of a voucher. All right. Now, looking at here, you are going to see different amounts of astropay voucher. Okay, this one is for 2,000 naira, this one is for 5,000, 10,000, 25, 40, 70,000 naira. Okay, now like I always say in my videos, when it comes to arbitrage, the higher the capital you are going to make use of is the higher the profit you are going to be making. Okay, now let's say we have like maybe 800,000 naira worth of astropay voucher. That is where I will be going at. That is the voucher I'm going to be picking. But the maximum we have here is 70,000 naira. Okay, so we're going to be making use of 70,000 naira. But before then, when you look up, you're going to see NGN and you're still going to see USD. All right, now what we're going to be using is NGN. Do not use USD. Okay, the USD is not going to be profitable if you have to use it, so we just have to make use of NGN. Okay, so this arbitrage will be profitable. Now, like I said, we are going to be buying 70k worth of astropay voucher. That is what we are going to be making use of, so we'll have to click on that. All right, then the next thing we'll have to do is to click on bank transfer, because we'll be transferring from our bank. All right, then you're still going to click on bank transfer again. Then next thing you are going to do is to click on continue in order to get details the account details which are going to be transferring to get this voucher, and that is the only thing we are going to be doing. So we are going to head over to the next platform which we are going to be making use of this voucher. All right, now I would want you to book the like button of this video. Like I told you at the beginning of this video, you are going to get a whole lot of value into this video. All right, a whole lot of value. So go ahead and smash the like button of this video to show appreciation. And if you're still here to join this awesome family, do it to click that subscription button. Yes, click the subscription button to join this beautiful family. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. This is the second platform we're going to be making use of in today's arbitrage. We're going to be making use of 1xbet. Okay, now for you to engage in this arbitrage, of course you are going to be two to participate in this arbitrage, and of course you are not going to be in the same country. All right, if you are in Nigeria, that means you'll be looking out for someone in Kenya, or you'll be looking out for someone in Ghana, or you'll be looking out for someone in Rwanda, or maybe any other country of your choice, as long as they have 1xbet enabled in their country. Okay, as long as they have access to 1xbet, just make use of any country of your choice. All right, but you are going to be two in order to participate in this arbitrage, and I'm going to tell you the reason why you are going to be two to participate in this arbitrage. Now, the second person that is going to participate in this arbitrage might come from Kenya or Ghana. All right, now what the person is going to do is to register on 1xbet. All right, so once the person must have registered in 1xbet, what you are going to do is to send the voucher which you purchased from astropay to the second person that you are going to be engaging in this arbitrage with. All right, the person is going to be funding his or her 1xbet account using that voucher which you sent to him or her. All right, now I'm going to show you different ways which you can be able to fund your 1xbet account. All right, let's go, guys. Now, as you can see over here, we have several ways in which you can be able to fund your 1xbet account. We have Visa, we have Valve. You can do transfer from your UBA, USSD, OPay. Too many ways. Wema, there are a whole lot of ways. You can even still make use of Scray, OPay, and the rest of them. All right, yes, and the rest of them. And as well, you can fund your wallet using crypto. You can still fund it using USD, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and the rest of them. All right, now I'm going to show you the rate which this platform is operating on. All right, I'm going to show you the rate because the platform is operating in bank rate. Now let me click this for example. Okay, let me show you the rate which they're selling. I'm going to click on confirm. All right, now as you can see over here, for 1 USDT they are selling it for 726 naira. For 1 USDT, 726 naira. So you just have to write it down so you don't forget. 726 naira for 1 USDT. Right, let's go, guys. So let's say your friend must have funded his or her account, all right, using the astropay voucher which you sent to him or her. All right, now what the person is going to do is the person is going to make a withdrawal. Yes, the person is going to make a withdrawal to his or her local bank account, and then this is going to lead us to the third platform which we are going to be using, and that is where we are going to be making our profit. If you have watched to this extent, I want you to let me know by clicking the like button of this video, and if you are still yet up until now, subscribe to this channel or join this beautiful family. I still don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash the subscription button. All right, yes, smash the subscription button to join this beautiful family. And if you're still here to like this video, go ahead and smash the like button to show appreciation of the value you are getting into this video. Like I told you earlier, you are going to get a whole lot of value into this video. So let's go, guys. Now before heading over to the third platform, we are going to do a simple calculation in order to know how many USDT which this person is going to be sending to us using the third platform. All right, now remember the rate is 726 naira per 1 USDT, and we bought astropay voucher for 70,000 naira. Okay, so we are going to be dividing it by this 726 to know how many USDT we'll be expecting from this person. All right, so let's go, guys. Now we're going to divide 70,000 divided by 726. So we are going to be expecting 96 USDT from this person. Okay, that is what we are going to be expecting from this person. All right, now this person is going to send 96 USDT to us using the third platform. All right, now remember the person is going to withdraw this money which he or she has funded in his 1xbet account, all right, into his local bank account. Now, after withdrawing into his or her local bank account, this person is going to head over to the third platform in order to make a purchase of USDT and send it to you. So you are going to be receiving the money back using the third platform. So guys, let's head over to the third platform in order to calculate our profit and know if we are going to be making profit or we are going to be making loss. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, now coming to the third platform, the name of the platform is Binance. All right, Binance. So what we're going to be doing next is that we're going to be clicking over here, which is P2P trading. Okay, now what the person is going to do is to come over to Binance P2P trading in order to make a purchase of 96 USDT. All right, the person can actually choose a random merchant in order to buy 96 USDT. All right, now we're going to be clicking over here by crypto, all right, to see for 96 USDT how much Kenya shilling is the person is going to be having. All right, so we're going to type in 96. Now for 96 USDT, the person is going to be getting 13,341 Kenya shilling. That is how much the person is going to be getting for 96 USDT, 13,341 USDT. Now, the person has bought this USDT, and the next thing the person is going to do is to send over this USDT to you, and you are going to receive it using your Binance account. All right. Now, let's say the person must have sent it to you and you must have received it. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to sell this USDT and make your profit. All right, so let's go to Binance P2P trading. Now we're going to change this to NGN because you are in Nigeria. Okay, so if you're in South Africa, you are going to change it to your currency. Okay, so let's use NGN for the sake of this video. Now let's say you must have received the 96 USDT from the person. The next thing you are going to do is to click on P2P trading, all right, in order to sell this 96 USDT. So we are in Binance P2P trading, so you have to click over here, which is sell, in order to sell the 96 USDT. Now we are going to choose a random merchant, but before then we are going to be using this filter, all right, because the voucher we bought is around 70,000, so let's say 60,000. Click on confirm. Okay, so you can be able to filter for us. Now we're going to use a random merchant. All right, so let's choose this first one to sell the 96 USDT. All right, so we're going to type in the 96 USDT here. Now over here for 96 USDT, we are going to be getting 71,600 naira. That is how much we are going to be getting. 71,600 naira. So we are going to be making a profit of 1,600 naira per trade. Now, one thing about this arbitrage is that it is unlimited. And when I say that it is unlimited, that means that you can do it repeatedly. It does not have limits. You can do it repeatedly. Okay. Now, remember the profit you are going to be making per trade is 1,600. So let's say you are going to do it for like maybe 10 times, maybe 20 times. So you're going to know the profits you are going to be making. So let's go to calculator and see how much we are going to be making if we are going to be trading for like 20 times or 30 times, depending. Let's go, guys. Now the profit we are going to be making is 1,600, and if you are trading for like 20 times, we are going to be making a whooping 32,000 naira. That is how much you are going to be making, a whooping 32,000 naira. Okay, so this is really profitable. This is really profitable. Like I said earlier, you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video. Do well to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, click the like button of this video to show appreciation. Like I said earlier, you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video. And if you are still here to join this awesome family, this beautiful family, go ahead and smash that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you. Go ahead and smash that subscription button, and after smashing the subscription button, don't forget to turn on that bell notification beside the subscription button, because what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you watched. All right, now I made a video concerning crypto arbitrage, which you are going to use in order to make up to 60k in a week. 60k in a week. You are going to be closing around 60,000 naira in a week, and if you are going to be doing it very well, you will be able to be closing at least 10,000 naira to 15,000 naira or even 20,000 naira in a single day. All right, now I'm going to link a video in the screen right now. Okay, so do it to click that video that you are looking at in the screen right now in order to watch the simple step which I laid for you to make up to 10 to 15k in a day using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. Click the video you are seeing right now on the screen and I will see you there. Cheers.